Hi everyone, and welcome back to Faith and Flour. If you're new here, my name is Robin. Today I've got some cleaning motivation for you, so if you love cleaning videos, then this is for you. Today I'm starting off in our sort of family room or media room, and it's also the room that Patrick uses for his office when he works from home. I'm going to be doing some cleaning downstairs in today's video as well, but for right now, I'm going to be doing the zone cleaning up here. Every week when Peyton cleans his room, he also dusts and vacuums the entire upstairs, which is a huge help for me. But with my zone cleaning, I have our home divided into 8 different zones, and so I rotate through those. So every 8 weeks, I come up here and do a little bit more of a thorough deep cleaning. I have some videos on my zone cleaning, so if you're interested in that, definitely go to my channel and check those out. I always like to work from the top down, so I'm starting with dusting, and I do all the crown molding and then the cabinets, and then I work my way down to the furniture and the floors, and just to make sure that any dust that I'm knocking down from up above gets taken care of and I'm not dirtying up something that I just cleaned. This is Patrick's desk, and it is by no means getting a thorough cleaning today. It's pretty cluttered right now. I mean, it obviously belongs to a man. There's all kinds of interesting things all over it. So he didn't know I was going to be up here cleaning today. So hopefully over the weekend he can sort these things out and we can do a little bit more thorough cleaning of his desk. As I said in my last video, sometimes good enough is just good enough, so we're going to move on. Some of you guys are super observant, and you'll probably notice that you didn't see me dust the 2 fans that we have mounted on the wall or the bookshelf. I did dust those today, but somehow failed to record them, and yes, they are part of my cleaning routine when I am doing zone cleaning up here. Using my extendable duster and the dusting glove make dusting really fast, and so now it's time to move on to vacuuming. This vacuum is by the company Dean Key, and I really love this vacuum. I can use it in so many different ways, and it's very lightweight, and the battery life is great. So I will have a link in my description box for my Amazon store, and that's where you can find that. And my dusters are from eCloth, and I have a link for them as well. We love to watch movies and play games up here, and we are almost always snacking when we do that. So it's really important that I give these couches a thorough vacuuming at least once in a while to take care of all the crumbs and any other things that I might find underneath the cushions. This, I think, is the most comfortable seat in the room. I love to sit here. It's so cozy. 2 people could sit together and enjoy a movie, but it is stuffed with feathers, and that makes for a cleaning nightmare. There are always feathers flying all over the place, and I challenge any vacuum to be able to clean this thoroughly without a lot of extra effort. To do the floors, I just attach the extender nozzle and I'm ready to go. And this does a great job. You can see it even gets underneath this bookshelf easily. And because it's so lightweight, I love carrying it upstairs with me, and doing the stairs is so much easier as well. Cleaning all around under Patrick's desk is an absolute must when I'm zone cleaning. So many things accumulate under here: dust, feathers from that chair, Austin's hair, crumbs from when Patrick eats at his desk. So this is an area that I want to be really thorough with vacuuming. I'll do a really quick mop of the hardwoods, and I'm just using an eCloth microfiber mop pad. And these are wonderful because all you need is water to clean with, so there are no harsh chemicals, there's no residue left behind, and it is so much more economical and easy. The microfibers do a great job of trapping all of the dirt and prevent anything from being spread around, including germs. And when I'm finished, I can just throw it in the washing machine and it comes out good as new. Dishwasher ran overnight, so I need to empty it and then I can reload it with the breakfast dishes. And I usually do this first thing in the morning, but today I was just in the mood to get underway with the zone cleaning I wanted to do upstairs, and I knew it would wait, so that's why I'm doing it now. When the clean dishes are all out, the dirty ones go in. To clean the floors downstairs, and I'm still going to use the eCloth microfiber pad and just water to clean them. And while I was upstairs earlier cleaning, the Roomba vacuum was busy cleaning the floors down here, preparing them for me to mop. I love opening all the windows and letting in as much light as possible, especially in the colder months. But with dark hardwood floors and a dog, they need cleaning constantly. And so I'm really grateful to have found these e-cloth mop pads. They make the job of keeping these floors clean so much easier. And so when I need to, I can just grab the mop, dampen it a little bit with water, and it just takes a few minutes to get them looking good as new. Cleaning is finished and now it's tea time, so I'm going to enjoy a nice cup of chai latte. I hope that today's video gave you some inspiration and motivation for cleaning an area of your home. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give me a thumbs up. If you're new here at Faith and Flower, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Subscribing is absolutely free, it's easy, and if you activate the bell icon, you'll be notified each time I upload a new video so that you don't miss out on anything. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love getting your questions and comments, so leave those in the comment section. I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you in the next video.